urdhwatiryak multiplication. Okay, urdhva means vertically and tiryak means crosswise. This is general method for multiplication. General method means this multiplication method is applicable for all numbers. And sutra used in this multiplication is urdhwatiryagabhyam. Now, let us understand the algorithm by learning working steps as follows. So let us read algorithm first. This is the algorithm for multiplicand and multiplier containing 2 digits each. Okay, multiplicand containing 2 digits and multiplier containing 2 digits. So first, let us read these two important points. Number of steps required to complete the procedure is 2 times n minus 1, where n is number of digits in multiplicand and multiplier. So the number of steps will be 3 and we will write answer in 3 parts. See friends, 2 digits in multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. 2n minus 1. 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1 is 3. 2 2s are 4, minus 1 is 3. It means that there will be total 3 steps to complete this multiplication, and we will write answer in 3 parts. Now next important point is, except leftmost part, every part should retain units place digit and higher place digits are considered to be extra digits. Extra digits, if any, is passed to its immediate left part. Left part may contain one or more than one digit. So friends, let us first understand this concept of extra digits and passing of extra digits. See, we have seen that we are going to calculate our answer in 3 parts. Okay, so in the rightmost part, if we have 32, we will separate these parts by drawing a slash. In the middle part, if we have 47, and in the rightmost part we have 15. Suppose this is just an example. Okay, if we are allowed to retain single digit in each part, see, this leftmost part is an exception. In this part, in the leftmost part, we can have one or more than one digits. So we are not talking about this part. We are talking about this middle part and right part. Correct? Now friends, see, if we are allowed to retain single digit in the right part, it means that you are going to retain this units place digit 2 and you are considering this 3 as an extra digit. Now what's to be done with this 3? You have to pass this 3 to its immediate left part. What is immediate left part of right part? It is middle part, because middle part lies at the left side of right part. So you are going to pass this extra digit 3 to middle part. Now what does it mean by passing? Passing means adding. So let us add this 3 to middle part, which is 47. 47 plus 3 is 50. Now middle part is 50 and not 47. Please understand, because you have passed this extra digit 3 to middle part and you have got 50 because you have added this 3 to the middle part 47. Understand this concept very well, because this concept is widely used in the Vedic mathematics. Okay, so now in the middle part we have 50, that means 2 digits. Here also we are allowed to retain only single digit. And if we are allowed to retain only single digit, it means that we are going to retain digit at units place, which is 0 here. Now let us retain 0 here and let us pass this extra digit 5. See, higher place digits are considered to be extra digits. 5 is at higher place, 0 is at units place, 5 is at tens place. So 5 is at higher place. So let us consider this 5 as an extra digit and let us pass this 5 extra digit 5 to its immediate left part, which is nothing but left part itself, leftmost part. See, now passing means adding. So 15 plus extra digit 5 is 20. Now friends, this 20 is leftmost part. Let us write final answer. In the right part, write this 2. In the right part, not in the right part. From the right part. From right part, write this 2. You cannot write this 3 because you have already passed it. What is middle part? Middle part was 50. But you transferred this 5, passed this 5 to left part, so you have 0 only. So let us write 0. Don't consider this 3 and don't consider this 5. Now, write left part as it is, that means 20. And friends, this is our final answer, 2002. So friends, in this way, extra digit or digits are identified and passed to its immediate left. So I hope that you have understood this concept properly. So now let the dots represent the digits in the given numbers, multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, in the multiplication there are two factors, multiplicand and multiplier. In this example, multiplicand contains 2 digits and multiplier contains 2 digits. Okay, the dots joined by the arrows, this pink arrow, dots, these orange colored dots. These orange colored dots represents the digits in the number. Okay, see, this is multiplicand and this is multiplier. So the dots joined by the arrows indicates the product of those two digits. See friends, if these two dots, see 1 and 2, two dots are joined by arrows, it means that these two digits are multiplied. See, these two digits are multiplied. Okay, so let us understand the working steps actually. Step number 1. See, consider rightmost column. Okay, see, consider this as column. See this as column. Consider rightmost column and multiply these two digits. Units place digit in multiplicand and units place digit in multiplier and write the product in rightmost part. Step number 2. Now let us include this second column. See, this was first column. Okay, we just multiplied these two digits. Now let us include this second column from right side. So let us multiply these two digits crosswise. This was vertical multiplication. This is crosswise multiplication. Multiply these two digits and multiply these two digits. Multiplication of digit at units place of multiplier and digit at tens place of multiplicand plus multiplication of digit at tens place of multiplier and digit at units place of multiplicand crosswise, and add this two product and write that result of addition, this product plus this product, and write the result in middle part. Now we have covered these two columns. Now exclude this column. See, exclude this column and consider this column, leftmost column, and multiply these two digits, both digits which are at tens place in multiplicand and multiplier. So calculate the product of these two digits and write the product in leftmost part. In the third step, we will calculate leftmost part. Okay. Now friends, it will be best understood while actually solving the examples. Okay. So let us solve these 3 examples and understand the actual working steps. First example, let us solve first example. 24 multiplied by 37. Starting from right side, consider first column, rightmost column, in which there are 2 digits 4 and 7. 4 in multiplicand and 7 in multiplier. Both digits are in units places. So multiply these 2 digits 7 and 4. See, first column from right side, vertical multiplication of these 2 digits. I will write steps in this part. 7 multiplied by 4, 7 4s are 28. So friends, write 28 in rightmost part and let us separate this 28 from other parts. Step number 2. Step number 2. Include this second column from right side, and let us multiply the digits in these 2 columns crosswise. See, product of 2 and 7 plus product of 3 and 4, crosswise multiplication. So let us write here 2 multiplied by 7 or 7 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 3 4s are 12, which is 26. Correct? So write 26 in middle part. Third step. Third step is, now friends, we have completed this column, rightmost column. Now let us consider leftmost column, second column. Now multiplying these 2 digits vertically. Multiplying these 2 digits vertically. That means 3 multiplied by 2, which is 3 2s are 6. So write 6 in third part. See friends, this is right part, middle part and left part. Next step is, we have completed these 3 steps. See, there are 2 digits in the multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. That means we are going to solve this multiplication in 3 steps, means 3 parts. See, first step, and we wrote the answer of first step in rightmost part. Second step, we wrote the answer of this second step in middle part. Third step, we wrote the answer of third step in leftmost part. Okay, so 3 parts. Correct? Because 3 parts, because we have a formula. 2 multiplied by n. N means number of digits in multiplicand and multiplier. How many digits are there in multiplicand? 2. How many digits are there in multiplier? 2. It means 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1 is 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3 steps. Yes, 3 steps and 3 parts. Next important step is passing extra digits. Always start this process of passing extra digits from right side to left side. So let us start from right side. There are 2 digits and we are allowed to retain only 1 digit in each part except this left part. See, I am not talking about this left part because left part may contain 1 or more than 1 digits. We are allowed to retain only 1 digit in right part and middle part. But there are 2 digits in right part. It means that this higher place digit 2 is an extra digit, because we are going to retain this 8 which is at units place in the rightmost part. So let us pass this extra digit 2 to its immediate left, part, and passing means adding. So let us add this 2 to this 26, which is middle part, which gives us 26 plus 2, 28. Now friends, this 28 is middle part. Now consider middle part, which is 28. There are two digits and we are allowed to retain only single digit, only one digit in the middle part. So we are going to retain 8, which is at units place, and we are going to pass this 2, which is at tens place, higher place digit. So we pass higher place digit, which is extra digit, to its immediate left part, which is leftmost part, and passing means adding. So let us add this 2 to left part, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now left part is 8. Now friends, let us write final answer. Write this 8 because we are going to retain this 8. Okay. Now write this 8 because we have already passed this 2 to left part. Let me see. Let me cancel this. Okay. We cancel this. Write 8 from middle part and write this 8. Okay. Friends, you can write these digits or numbers from left to right also. Now we have got final answer. Final answer is 888. 24 multiplied by 37 is 888. This is our answer. Second example, 87 multiplied by 61. Starting from right side, step number 1. Starting from right side, consider this first column in which there are two digits 7 and 1. First column. Now, step number 1 is, multiply these two digits vertically. Multiply the digits in this column vertically. That means 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Write answer of first step as rightmost part. Let us separate this part from other parts. Step number 2. Now include this second column from right side. Include this second column from right side, and now multiply the digits in these two columns crosswise. So these two digits and these two digits. Correct. That means 1 multiplied by 8. See, multiplying crosswise and adding this two product. 1 multiplied by 8 plus 6 multiplied by 7. 6 multiplied by 7. That means 8 plus 6 sevens are 42, which gives us 42 plus 8, 50. So write 50 in the middle part. So right part is 7, middle part is 50. Let us separate this 50 middle part from left part. So step number 3. Now we have covered these two columns. Now let us exclude rightmost column. Let us exclude rightmost column and consider left column. So single column, that means you are going to multiply vertically. Single column, multiply vertically. Double columns, multiply crosswise. So it is single column, so multiply vertical. Multiply vertically. Okay, 6 multiplied by 8 is 6 8s are 48. So write 48, answer of third step in leftmost part. So friends, we have completed 3 steps. Now it is time to pass extra digit. We are allowed to retain single digit in each part except left part. So in right part there is single digit, so there are no extra digits, so no need to make any changes in right part. Now come to middle part. Yes, there are two digits here, that means we have extra digits, or we have an extra digit, single extra digit, because see, we are allowed to retain single digit, so we are going to retain units place digit. And always when you are told to retain single digit, then retain units place digit. Except units place digit, consider rest of the higher place digits as extra digits. So in this part, in the middle part, 5 is an extra digit and should be passed to its immediate left part. And friends, passing means adding. So add this 5 to this 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. 53. Now friends, we have balanced it. We have balanced it by passing extra digits to immediate left parts. Now we are ready with our final answer. Okay, so final answer is write left part as it is, that is 53. Cancel this 5 because we have already passed it. Write 0 and write this 7 as it is. So final answer is 5307. Third example, 35 multiplied by 19. Now let us start. Consider rightmost column. Okay, consider rightmost column and multiply vertically the digits in the rightmost column. See, multiply vertically. See, single column multiplying vertically, two columns multiplying crosswise. So let us consider first column and multiply the digits in first column vertically. So step number 1 is 9 multiplied by 5. See, 9 multiplied by 5. 9 5s are 45. Write 45 in the right part. Now, step number 2. Step number 2. Include second column from right side. Now, there are two columns. So let us multiply the digits in these two columns crosswise. Crosswise. 9 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 5. And add these two product. 9 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 5 gives us 9 3s are 27 plus 5, which is equal to 32. Write 32 in the middle part. Now let us separate this middle part from left part. So step number 3, we have completed rightmost column. Now leave it, exclude it, and consider leftmost column, second column from right side, second column from right side. Okay, that is leftmost column. So single column, so let us multiply the digits in this column vertically. So 1 multiplied by 3. Write answer of step number 3 in leftmost part. So friends, we have done 3 steps now. Now it is time to balance the answer by passing extra digits if any. Now consider this right part, because process of passing extra digits is done from right to left. So consider right part. Is there extra digit in right part? Yes, because there are two digits in the right part and we are allowed to retain only single digit. So let us retain units place digit 5 in right part and let us pass this 4, which is an extra digit, to its immediate left, which is 32. So add this 4, extra digit 4, to 32 and we get 36. Now forget it. Middle part is 36 now. Is there any extra digit in middle part, which is 36 now? Yes, because there are two digits and we want single digit only in this part. So let us retain units place digit 6 and pass tens place digit 3 to its immediate left. Passing means adding. So let us add this 3. Let us add this 3 to left part 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. Now let us cancel these past digits. Yes. Now let us write final answer. Write left part 6, write middle part 6 and write right part 5. So final answer is 665. It means that 35 multiplied by 19 is 665.